Welcome. If you're getting too many community announcement notifications from Roblox on your mobile device, you're definitely not alone. These alerts can be helpful, but sometimes they just get overwhelming. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off community announcement notifications on the Roblox mobile app, updated for the latest version. Let's jump right in and get your notifications under control. First, grab your phone and open up the Roblox app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Once you're in, look down at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a row of icons. Tap the three dots on the far right. This is labeled as More, and it's where you'll find all the extra options for your account. Next, scroll down until you spot the Settings option and give that a tap. This will bring up a new menu with all sorts of customization options for your Roblox experience. Now, find and tap on Notifications. This section controls all the alerts Roblox can send to your device. Here you'll see different types of notifications you can manage, but for today, we're focusing on mobile push notifications. Tap on Mobile Push Notifications to open up the specific settings for alerts that pop up on your phone. You'll see a list of different notification types, including one called Community Announcements. To stop receiving these notifications, simply toggle off the switch next to Community Announcements. Once it's off, you won't get any more community announcement alerts from Roblox on your mobile device. And that's it. You've just taken control of your Roblox notifications and made sure you'll only get the alerts that matter most to you. If you ever change your mind, you can always come back to these settings and turn the notifications back on. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. See you next time.